Your supplier says, "We are ISO certified." But what does that certification actually prove? ISO is more than a certificate on the wall. It is about how a system is managed. ISO 9001 is the most familiar quality standard. It focuses on quality through controlled processes. For buyers, the question is, how? ISO 1401 is about environmental management. It helps companies manage environmental impacts systematically. For buyers, always check the certificate scope. ISO 4501 focuses on workplace health and safety. It helps organizations manage workplace risks systematically. As a buyer, check what site and activities are covered. Some engineering products have their own specific standards. They may define dimensions, materials, performance, or testing. ISO 9001 alone does not prove product conformity. Certification means a system has been independently assessed. Compliance means meeting applicable requirements. An ISO certificate does not prove every product requirement. First, check whether the certificate is current. Check its status, standard, and scope. Don't rely on a PDF alone. Verify it independently. Don't just look at the ISO standard. Read the certificate scope carefully. Make sure it covers the supplier and activity you need. Don't rely only on the supplier's certificate. Check the company, number, scope, and status. Then, verify those details. Next, identify the certification body. This organization assesses the management system against the standard. Then verify the certificate with the issuing body. Accreditation adds another layer of confidence. It assesses whether a certification body is competent. Check the accreditation. When does ISO really matter to a buyer? It matters when your customer or supply chain requires it. First, check whether the requirement applies to your order. An ISO certificate does not guarantee every product. Check the product against its actual requirements. ISO supports the system, product evidence supports conformity. Here is a common ISO misconception. ISO certification does not mean zero defects. It provides a structured system for managing quality. Another common mistake is trusting ISO alone. ISO is only one part of supplier evaluation. Verify the supplier's actual capability too. We are ISO certified. Great. Which standard, scope, and certification body? Please share the current certificate and verification details. First, confirm the supplier and site. Then check the standard, status, and scope. Finally, verify the certificate and product evidence. ISO is evidence, not the whole decision. Verify the certificate, scope, and product requirements. Don't stop at ISO certified. Ask what it actually covers.